Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add or update your gender on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a menu. Click on the More icon. It's represented by 3 dots. Next, from the options that appear, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, choose your account, and then click on Account Information. You might be asked to enter your password at this point for security purposes. Now, scroll down until you find the Gender section. Click on it to open the options. Select your preferred gender from the list provided. If there are custom options available, you can input your choice manually. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your gender information has now been updated successfully. By following these steps, you've personalized your profile and ensured it reflects your identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more ways to customize your X profile.